All right, class. Let's look at this question on logarithm. Given that x squared plus y squared equals 5xy, we have to show that a 2 log x plus y over root 7 equals log x plus log y. Then b, log x minus y over root 3 equals half log x plus log y. Are you with me, class? So basically, there are two methods in solving this problem. Now, the first method is to pick the first equation, which is the a part of what you are told to prove. 2 log x plus y over root 7 equals log x plus log y. If you are able to solve this, right, and solve it in such a way that you arrive back to the condition, then you have been able to prove that this is equals to this, given that this is this. Are you with me, class? Good. Alternatively, we can pick the left hand side of this equation and show that it's equal to the right hand side. I'm going to use that to prove this equals this, given this condition, right? So let's look at the first question. This is 2 log, that's a, into x plus y over root 7, which is equals to, right, basically this should be this, so which is equals to log x plus log y, right? Good. So now the idea is this: we have to show that the left hand side is equal to the right hand side, right? So I'm going to start from the left hand side. So left hand side, LHS. So what does that mean? 2 log x plus y over root 7. I'm going to simplify this. So the idea is to simplify the left hand side to get the right hand side. So now, from the rule of logarithm, whenever you have n log p, for example, if you have n log p, according to the rule of logarithm, you can write this as what? Log p to the power of n. Yes, this is one of the rules of logarithm. So now, if you look at this very well, this is n log p, and this is 2 log this. So in this case now, this is standing as p. P represents x plus y over root 7, right? Good. So we are going to mimic what we have in the rule. So just follow it one after the other. So n log p is written as log p to the power of n. So 2 log this now will be written as what? Log x plus y over root 7 all to the power of 2. Do you understand? Good. So this is how you write that according to the first rule of logarithm. Is it clear? Yeah, so I've just applied this rule here. So our next step, let's clean this off. Our next step is to simplify this further, right? So we are going to pull our algebraic knowledge on what's the expansion of this. You know, the square of a number is the number having a multiplying itself twice. So meaning it's having a multiplier. I have 2 to the power of 2. I have 2 times 2, right? Good. So if I have x to the power of 2, I have x times x, right? Good. So that means I have x plus y to the power of 2. That means x plus y into x plus y, right? Good. So I'm going to apply that knowledge here. Simple algebraic knowledge. So now I have log x plus y into x plus y over what? Root 7 all squared. Remember, the square is affecting both the numerator and the denominator. Do you understand? Good. So that's how I've written that. Hope you are following. So that's just simple algebraic knowledge. So now we have log x squared plus y squared plus 2xy. I'm going to tell you how I got that. Over this cancels this root. Root 7 all squared. 2 cancels the square root. The square always removes the square root, right? So you have 7. Yeah, I've explained that in my previous class when I was teaching indices. Good. So now, how do I get this? From basic knowledge of expansion, right? You have x plus y into x plus y. There are several methods in expanding this, but I do stick with this. X plus y, x, that is this x into this second bracket. That's what I've written. Then plus this y, plus y, that's this, into the second bracket again. That will always help you out. There are other methods. X times x, x times y times x, y times y. Right? Good. Just this one is a bit explanatory. Just preventing you from making mistakes of, So now you have x squared plus xy plus xy plus y squared. So you have x squared plus 2xy. Hope you know that. Plus y squared. Right? So that's how I obtained this numerator. Expanding this. Do you understand? Good. Now, let's clean this off to get more space. Now, having gotten to this step, remember that the condition says that what? Given that x squared plus y squared equals what? 5xy. I already have x squared plus y squared here. And x squared plus y squared equals to 5xy. So I can rewrite this as log 5xy plus 2xy over what? 7. Are you there, class? So we have log 7xy over what? 7. So obviously, 7 removes 7. So what do you have? You have log xy. Now, and log xy, according to the rule of logarithm, there's another rule that says when you have log ab, right? That's the first rule of logarithm. It's equals to the log a plus log b. If it were to be a fraction, a over b, then this changes to subtraction. Do you understand? Good. But I'm making use of the product rule that gives the addition. So log ab equals log a plus b. So I'm using this law here to arrive at this. So you can see that we are almost there, and we are already there. So we have log x plus log y. So right hand side. So we have proved that giving x squared plus y squared equals 5xy, 2 log x plus y over root 7 equals log x plus log y. Right? Good. So now, let's clean this off and solve the B part of the question. So the B part says, or you want me to use the first method, solving this to get this, right? Okay. If you want me to do that, I can always do that. So you have log 2 I'm still solving the A part. Now I'm using the first method, like solving this equation to get the condition. So if I do that, what do I have? I have log x plus y over root 7 all squared equals to what? Log x plus log y. So going to this place, you have log x squared plus y squared plus 2xy over 7 equals to what? Log xy. Are you there? Good. I'm applying the rules of logarithm. Log x plus log y. We just established now that it's the same thing as log xy, right? Good. So when you arrive at this step, this log can remove this log. Yeah, it's allowed. You can say because they are in the same base. That's the condition. They must be in the same base. This is log of a number 2, assumably base 10. So we cancel this. It's allowed. So you have, let's come here. You have x squared plus y squared plus 2xy over 7 equals xy. So at this point, you can cross multiply, or you multiply both sides by what? 7. If you multiply both sides by 7, you multiply this by 7, this 7 disappears, and this one becomes 7xy. So you have x squared y squared plus 2xy equals to 7y. Right? Good. So if you take this to the other side, what do you have? The 2xy to the other side of the equation. You have x squared plus y squared equals what? 7xy minus 2xy. And that gives us what? 5xy. So you can see that we have arrived at the condition solving this problem. Good. So this is the solution on how to show that 2 log x plus y over root 7 equals log x plus log y using the two methods. Thank you very much.